Envision entering a networking event, not just equipped with business cards, but with a powerful strategy that turns each handshake into a valuable connection. This strategy is not merely about your arrival, it's about leaving a lasting impression. The secret? Preparation. By doing your homework on the event and its participants, you craft an approach that ensures you stand out. Setting clear goals transforms aimless chatter into significant conversations, whether you're seeking a mentor, industry insights, or business prospects. An impactful elevator pitch, your 30-second opportunity to highlight your value, alongside a polished digital profile, extends your impression far beyond the event itself. As we progress, remember that successful networking is about both giving and receiving. Stay tuned as we explore how to master the art of engagement, blending preparation with real opportunities. Leveraging the groundwork of thorough preparation, the art of engagement becomes crucial in your networking journey. Each interaction holds the promise of meaningful connections. It's essential to approach conversations with confidence, presenting yourself as approachable and ready for dialogue, thereby attracting potential partners or mentors. More than talking, active listening marks the beginning of genuine engagement. It builds trust and paves the way for a mutual understanding. Integrating your unique value proposition smoothly within these interactions is not a pitch, but an offer of mutual growth. The exchange of contact information should flow naturally, setting the stage for future conversations. As we move towards the strategies of effective follow-ups, bear in mind, the connections nurtured today pave the way for tomorrow's opportunities. Let's delve into how timely, tailored follow-ups can solidify these budding relationships. Moving from the dynamic atmosphere of networking events to the calm of follow-up, we enter a vital phase, the follow-up formula. Timely and personalized outreach is both expected and appreciated. Remember, fruitful networking transcends mere card exchanges. It's about what happens next. A prompt follow-up keeps your connection alive, while personalization shows genuine engagement. Moreover, a clear call to action proposes a next step, transforming follow-ups into opportunities for collaboration. As we transition to exploring long-term connections, consider how thoughtful follow-ups can transform acquaintances into valuable partners. Converting new connections into meaningful opportunities is a sophisticated blend of art and strategy. This segment focuses on identifying mutual benefits, essential for creating collaborations that enrich both parties. A successful proposal hinges on aligning with their needs and crafting a value proposition that highlights clear, reciprocal advantages. This isn't merely a transaction, it's the foundation of a potentially rewarding partnership. Maintaining this relationship requires consistent communication, keeping promises, and persistently offering value. This careful nurturing is what turns potential into reality. As we advance, we'll explore sustaining momentum beyond initial successes, emphasizing that in networking, every link is a doorway to future prospects. Let these connections be gateways to mutual growth and achievements. Through our journey in the networking universe, we've uncovered strategies, engaged in purposeful conversations, and transformed connections into opportunities. Yet the essence of networking extends beyond events. It's about maintaining momentum, embracing community growth, and never missing a chance for expansion. By participating actively on social media and joining more events, we don't just stay connected, we thrive together. The momentum we've built is just the beginning. Let's continue to enlarge our network, engage deeply, and seize every occasion for growth, turning each interaction into a prosperous venture.